Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena, and y'all, I am finally back. I know y'all seen that your girl did not upload last week, and honey, I literally was sick all last week. I came down with a cold and it was awful because I literally never get sick. But I am back and I'm better, and I wanted to come in with you guys with a review because Urban Decay has dropped some new complexion products and we want to see what all the hype is about. So if you want to hear my thoughts, hear the prices, and hear everything about this foundation and concealer, then make sure you just keep on watching.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
So the other day I actually was able to go into Sephora and pick up the new Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer and foundation. So I really was intrigued about this product. I heard a lot of people talking about it, so I wanted to get on here and review it for you guys. These are the products right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the packaging so you can see what they look like. Okay, so this is the packaging for the foundation, and I am obsessed with this. I love how simple and sleek it looks. I love the rose gold lid on it. It's very lightweight, definitely very great for traveling because you don't have to worry about, this is plastic, you don't have to worry about this breaking or anything, and it is just really sleek and slim on these sides, so it's not taking up a lot of room. So this foundation does retail for $39. I did pick mine up at Ulta, and I think it did launch in 50 shades, so that is a really good range for you to be able to find your shade. The color that I did end up going with is 70WY, and I think this is going to be a really good match. So this foundation does claim to be flexible, breathable, a real skin matte finish, a medium to buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, waterproof, and has a vegan formula. So that does sound very interesting. It sounds very good, so I cannot wait to try this out. So the other thing that I did decide to pick up was the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. This retailed for $29, and I did pick up the shade 70WO. As you can see, it has the same packaging as the foundation, very sleek and simple with the rose gold packaging. So the claims for the concealer is it is a buildable full coverage, is flexible, breathable, does not transfer, a real skin matte finish, corrects the looks of imperfections, is waterproof, and a vegan formula. So that as well, we love a full coverage concealer, and I cannot wait to see how this performs underneath my eyes. So now that I'm done giving you the information and letting you guys know all about these products, let's go ahead and get into the demo portion. Oh, and if y'all see my nails, y'all just ignore my nails because they look horrible right now. Since I've been sick, I have not been able to go get my nails done, so a girl needs a fill-in ASAP. So I will be getting them done soon, but right now we're just gonna have to deal with it in the video while I'm holding up these products. I know they're looking ratchet, but it's okay. We're going to push past it. So let's go ahead and try this out on the face. I'm really excited to see how this foundation performs. So the foundation does have a pump, and I'm going to be applying this as per usual with my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. I love this foundation brush. It just puts on my makeup so flawlessly every time, and I always use it. I'd highly recommend this brush if you are a person that likes to apply foundations with a brush. Okay, so far it's giving really good coverage. Oh yeah, that's looking really nice. And I like how lightweight it is. Like when I'm putting it on, It honestly doesn't feel like I'm putting anything on my face, like while I'm pressing it in. It feels almost like skin. I think that's why it says like naked, like stay naked, because it literally doesn't feel like anything is on. Wow, that's a beautiful finish. I do notice that it is drying down to a matte finish. So y'all don't know, I do have dry skin. So we're gonna see if this is like a comfortable matte or if it's a really like desert dry where it just sucks the life out of your skin foundation dry. But so far it's comfortable, it feels very airy, and I really do like that. It has like a slight like paint kind of alcohol smell. It's not like overbearing, but I do notice it while I'm like blending it out on my face. It's not like horrible, but I do notice the smell. Okay, so this is the foundation blended all the way out, and so far I'm loving how it feels and looks on the skin. I feel like it looks very flawless, and honestly it's not that drying at all, and I feel like that is a plus on my behalf because having dry skin, the main thing you worry about is foundations that are matte or geared towards being a matte finish, is that it's going to, you know, cling onto your dry patches, or it's going to look very cakey and dry on the skin. And so far this foundation is not giving me that at all. I'm actually really enjoying the coverage as well. It looks very, very nice on. As you can see, I still have a sheen to my skin. So I wouldn't say that it's a extremely matte finish. I would say it's more of a natural to satin finish. Just by looking at it, that's what it's giving me. And I think that it looks beautiful. So hopefully it keeps looking like this with everything on top of it. So we're just gonna go ahead and move right into the concealer. So let's go ahead and try the concealer. Right off the bat, when I take out the applicator, I noticed that the doe foot is very bent. I don't know if you guys can really see that or not. Let's see. So it looks like it holds a lot of product in that little dip. So let's go ahead and apply it on. And I did want to let you guys know that I picked up this shade 70WO. Okay, yeah, this shade is really nice. I'm not really sure how much product I want to apply. I'm just going to add just a little bit right here. Okay, let's just go ahead and blend out the eye. So I'm going to take my sponge. Okay, so far it is blending in very nicely with the foundation. I'm not having any trouble blending it out. So that's always a plus. So you don't have to like beat into your skin to blend it out or anything. You literally can just pounce so lightly and it'll just blend out itself. I think it is doing a really good job. And that's the concealer blended out on this side. I think it looks really, really good. I'm loving that finish so far. So let's blend it out on this side. Like you barely have to even blend out the concealer. Like it is really, really nice. I think it looks gorgeous, you guys. Like I'm looking at my skin in my mirror and wow, I'm really impressed with this. Like I didn't think I was going to like this so much, but it feels amazing on the skin. The concealer just blended out so effortlessly. I did not have to try at all blending it out. And it is giving me really good coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Hourglass setting powder just to see how it works with this. This is by far my favorite setting powder. If you have dry skin, it is bomb, you guys. This might be a game changer. Wow, like I really did not expect this from this foundation and concealer. Like I'm looking at my makeup and it just looks so damn good. Okay, so that is both sides set. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on my chin and on the bridge of my nose. Again, still blending out very nicely. Okay, so that is the foundation and concealer all set, and everything is intact. And y'all, this foundation and concealer so far is bomb. Like, oh my god, you guys, I am beyond impressed with this. Like, I thought it was going to be good, but I didn't think it was going to be amazing. The way this foundation and concealer is looking on my skin right now, y'all, I'm so impressed. Like, it looks so good. Like, oh my god, it looks amazing. And it just looks flawless. Like, it just looks so effortless. It looks like my skin, but better. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing any foundation. It just feels like skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my products off camera, and then I'll come back on here and share with you my final thoughts on the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation and Concealer. So I am back, and this is the finished look, and so far I am in love with this foundation and concealer combo from Urban Decay. I feel like it looks so beautiful on the skin. It is very comfortable. It is just giving me that effortless flawlessness that you'd want when you do a full beat. And I just think overall it is just beautiful. Now, do I think this product is worth it? I definitely do. I think you're going to be very impressed when you try out this foundation and concealer. It is overall just so good, and I think Urban Decay really did that when it came with these complexion products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review on the Urban Decay foundation and concealer. I really am happy with the results that we did get from this foundation, because honestly I did not think I was going to be this impressed with the products, but overall I think I have found a new statement for my routine. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and come join the family. We are definitely growing and expanding, and I'm just so happy to be on this journey with you guys, and I'm so glad to be back in front of the camera. It is so relieving. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.